Hello there, my name is Dennis Tay and I'm an Associate Professor at the Department of English at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. It might surprise some of you to know that I have actually never been an English teacher in a school. So what am I doing as a professor in the Department of English in a university? Well, the answer is actually quite simple. Studying English or English linguistics at university is not just about learning how to speak, how to write, how to read, or how to listen in English more effectively. It is in fact more about understanding how language works in the mind, in society, across cultures, and also in combination with other modes of communication like using pictures. Now, if I compare learning English in the traditional sense to learning how to drive a car, then learning English linguistics in university is like becoming a car mechanic. Because not only do you know how to drive a car, you understand why and how the car works. So then, what kind of car mechanic am I? My interests lie in two broad areas: the relationship between language and psychology, and how to study language and communication patterns using data science and statistical methods. Now, I will be sharing my first interest with you a little bit more. Many of you might be wondering what this is. Now, this simple little device measures what is called electrodermal activity, or how well your skin conducts electricity. What does this have to do with English? It sounds more like biology, doesn't it? Well, without spoiling my talk too much, let me tell you that your skin conducts electricity better when you feel strong emotions. And triggering strong emotions is an important objective in many professional contexts of language use. For example, in advertising or psychological counseling. Advertisers use interesting language and graphics to stimulate your desire to buy their product. Likewise, when people with mental disorders see a counselor, the counselor needs to help them express their emotions in effective ways using language. Therefore, if we can measure how strongly people feel emotions, we can test different ways of using language to communicate and help counselors figure out the best strategy to help people. This is just one of the many examples of how studying linguistics at PolyU and the Department of English can contribute to society in ways you might have never imagined. So join us in our Communication Around You workshop series to find out more from our teachers. See you there!